Y'all, I'm Diana Brienne. What do you do if someone broke your trust or cheated on you in a marriage? Well, it's not an easy thing to talk about because it's usually very painful. And there's no easy solutions, and each marriage is different, each situation is different. The best thing to do is to get proper guidance and counseling, whether it's from a minister, a therapist, or whatever. But also great friends who are truly great friends that can be trusted. During that time, it's a very difficult time if you found out that your spouse has cheated on you. Forgiveness is key, number one, no matter what direction you take, whether you decide to stay in the marriage or not stay in the marriage. Most decisions should not be made in an emotional time. It takes time to make a decision. Cheating is never good. It required one person to lie to another in order to do that. So trust is broken. You may go forward and you may have a great relationship with that person in the future based on a new set of circumstances and a new reality. And trust may not be part of that reality. And you may have to get used to living without trust. Or perhaps you can reestablish it, but usually trust takes a long time to reestablish, and that's okay. You have to decide whether you want to go forward. But when cheating has just taken place, the best thing is to not make an immediate decision, but instead to let the decision come over time and through proper guidance and counseling. From my house to yours, God bless you. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.